Burning bro, something's burning. Marcel, I'm coming to your house right now. Like literally, you know. Oh wow.
And later.
Look at Marcel. Look at Marcel. Marcel.
Bro, at least he wears slipper. What you?
I just woke up. Got it? Yeah. Okay, so we're basically at Marcel's house.
Yeah.
So, guess what? Today we're eating Seoul Garden.
Alah, this is what.
So
I don't know lah.
this guy.
Trading, you know.
This is Ilhan. Ilhan, he has a mess style. He's like kind of a boring person. Sometimes when we go out, he'll use his phone while walking. Like, bro, like talk to us, bro. He always has his earpiece in, so yeah. And he likes to eat. This is Marcel. Marcel is rich AF, bro. Like, he has a maid. He's cool, you know, he has good style, but sometimes he does like stupid things, like, yeah.
Danish.
Okay, so Danish is very like sexy. First off,
He is very childish. He is very confusing sometimes, and he can be very, very stupid.
very like sexy.
Not fly. Yeah.
So we just got out of the house.
Yeah. Yeah. These are all the boys.
Yeah. So yeah, like I was saying that we are going to the going to Jukun to eat.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Seoul Garden.
We are still far away. We're still quite far.
Oh shit, nice drink. Look at mine.
Look at his.
Seoul Garden considered fancy.
Yeah, kinda. Cause like got a lot of like meats. There's salmon. Got duck.
Yo, I want to try raw salmon.
Yeah, I can. How about you try my raw?
Okay, bro. So like, are we late?
Shit.
What time is it? 2:25. Okay. I think we are late. Hey. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so like we finally reached after like
I don't know. My watch broken.
To Michael Jordan.
Ohio.
Michael Jordan.
Oh, your fault.
Bro, I thought no need to be like on time.
You have to be on time.
What if you're not?
Then give our seats to other people.
Oh shit.
Oh. Alah, he wearing slippers, yeah.
I don't
Masuk ye hawker center, right? The
see we got our like
father.
vlogger. Yeah, we reached already. So like, are you hyped for Seoul Garden?
I'm not feeling anything. I don't know why I'm like not hyped.
Hey, suck ah.
See this on the meat, right? Don't put the meat with all the other stuff at the refrigerator. So you put separately.
Man, these have like kind of good lighting.
Go take. See, Chan is for me, right?
Just follow him, bro.
Apa dia? Just take anything, just take anything. Unlimited.
Me, oh. Alright, good luck to you.
What do you want?
I don't know.
There's beef, black pepper chicken.
Yeah, take black pepper, all that, you know. Oh my god.
I'm new to this. Wait, I take another one.
Wow.
Or one for you.
You can take the one. You can put this one and that one is the same plate. Okay.
I don't think I need one.
Bro, everything here looks good.
Rizan, are you nervous? Calm down.
Yeah, no shit, he's nervous. Like, look at him.
It's my first time here. How I know? Bro, overflowing.
Because
Are you getting anything?
I'm recording. That's a lot of meat.
Shut up.
Maybe corn.
How many?
I don't know, like 2.
I'll take 3. One
So
for me.
wait, this plate for what?
Shut up. It's not me.
What?
Meat separately.
Meat.
Meat separate.
Oh. Where's Uma? Where's Uma? Uma, wait, this plate for what?
Oh my god, Ilhan.
What?
What is wrong with you? Help me take lettuce.
What?
Help me take lettuce. Like a lot.
How many?
What? The corn for the soup, what? You know?
Really?
Take lettuce. Yeah. Just take like every can lah. What?
Water?
Take what? Take water.
Yeah, you want take water?
Hey guys,
Orang nak ambil air.
vlog yourself. I taking water.
So I'm gonna cook for all this. It's on already, right? There's a delivery coming. All alone. Busy for dinner. Kind of hard.
More meat. Yes, meat.
Wow, they're taking a lot. Help me take.
Is it recording? Bro.
No, this one right? Okay, so you put this one.
Hey, this one for raw, one for cooked.
Yeah. One for raw, one for cooked. So like you use to put the food inside, right? The other one you use to put out.
Oh, take out. I'm so confused right now.
I'll cook, okay?
Yeah, and I'll help eat.
Wait, I put inside.
Yeah, I can put the Maggi inside. Give me lettuce, I want lettuce.
Oh yeah.
Let me take one more plate.
Intense cooking. Wow.
One chicken?
What?
What do you want? Do you ever have a plate?
Hey, yeah, my plate here.
Oh yeah, the fish is nice. The fish is nice.
Oh, fish. Yo, can this camera focus faster? Like, bro.
Let it eat first. Yeah, eat already, right?
Oh, wow. Yeah.
This is for me.
Yeah, I'm not even cooking it, bro. I'm just seeing it and eating it.
Because I'm not dead.
That's my role.
Because I take care of the crew.
Yeah, because it's the father role. You know? Yeah. Cooking so far. Yeah. So like, yeah, we got a whole gang here, you know. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I think not, but yeah. Woo. Yeah, yeah.
One salmon, right?
What?
One salmon, right?
Yeah.
Asa over there.
Nah, you know I'm scared got the worm thing, you know.
Salmonella.
Yeah, salmonella.
Then that's a
worm.
problem.
Yeah, my skill issue lah. No lah, it's like
Raw.
no. Like salmon, there's like another worm for it.
Parasite.
Mealworm, I think.
Mealworm is for mosquitoes. The mosquitoes lay egg in you.
Bro, this smells like nice, bro. Yeah, right. Yeah.
Oh, the beef is actually quite nice.
No, what? Yeah, very nice.
What's wrong with you? Man, Sea and salmon, right?
What?
Eating it raw? I mean, after this raw. I'll split in half.
Oh my god, raw salmon. Oh, raw salmon.
Oh, there's goals.
Oh my god, can you focus? Like, my camera.
Wait.
Alright.
Is it good?
Oh my god. A lot of people say that raw salmon is bad, but it's actually this meh. You know, it's kind of good. Boy, what the heck?
My fish. One more. Yo, that was nice.
So like red salmon.
No, this one is best. That's the best.
Red raw salmon. Out of 10.
5.
Yeah, same Yeah, ultra wide. I'm recording. How is it? Yeah.
Salmon.
You're not actually very raw.
Very raw.
Like bro. What weapon? Oh yeah. So far the food is passing.
It's going well.
Oh. Wow, I like it how I'm not cooking.
The best thing is,
But I think I need to cook, bro. I need to start cooking, you know.
the best thing is you take the meat right, and then you wrap it with lettuce, you put in the cheese.
Okay. This bite, yeah. Oh. How is it?
Hey, you want one right? Apa? Dia kalau apa kan?
What?
You want one right?
Yeah, okay. What?
I want to put deal my butthole.
Hey, so is that good? Yes or no? I got corn now. I'm gonna eat my corn.
Belum. The cheese. Well, not yet. Oh, guys, Chinese fish. It's really smooth.
You cook that sausage and they both try cooking.
Took my glizzy. I did. I want the glizzy. 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 Oh. Soki. I bet it's nice.
Oh yeah, eat that greasy, bro. Bro. Yeah.
That's fire.
Okay, so how's your experience here?
So far so good.
How about you, Razin? Good. What?
Good.
How about you?
Meat.
What?
Meat.
How about you? Nice.
That's something
Danish listen.
Okay, so like we have squid, you know, tentacles.
Yeah. Don't make it dirty. Because the next thing I'm gonna say is tentacle.
I think I need to censor that. Yeah, we got tentacles, bro.
Even my ass.
Bad. Exactly, don't say that. Tentacle and ass doesn't mix well together.
In Japan, they do.
Okay, so like me and Umar got tentacles. Okay, you eat first.
Oh, it's so hard.
Not bad.
No, not bad. My turn. My turn. Oh.
Burning, bro. Something's burning. Not Marcel say. Marcel say lower the volume. Not.
I just realised this one
Okay, Rafi, your turn. Try the tentacle.
I didn't say that.
Marcel say that. Marcel.
Hi, inside.
Not bad, right? It's not bad, bro. Look.
It's not bad. But it smell like the skin.
Where the food we order one haven't come from?
No, tetek bacin anjing. Tetek anjing.
Serious, you guys.
This two, these three.
How did it? I see more soup inside. It's going to burn.
Rafiq, FCA YouTube last year and this year. How you don't know?
I didn't know how to control this.
To be honest, I also don't know.
FCE on stove.
Okay, sure. Okay.
So for now,
It's just so good.
for now we off the thing, right?
Meat on cheese.
I should name this eating at Seoul Garden gone wrong.
Gone wrong. Eating Seoul Garden at 3 a.m. Gone wrong. Oh, you're gonna fall down. I swear the food is gonna like fall.
Where's your flag? Come on, where's your flag? Where's your flag?
Huh?
Where's your flag?
There my flag.
What country? No lah. No lah. It's you. Why you talking? No space. No.
See him? Okay, he's taking the meat.
Tak testicle.
Huh? No way, you just ate that. So how's your
Must be.
it's bad ah?
Wait, the meat.
Nah, take.
Hey, you handle the meat now. No. Everything there. Yeah, we are rolling.
So that you have cheese,
And they have ice and bro.
ice
This-
cream. No.
Go to jail, bro. Go die, bro. Bodoh. How did it taste like?
Death. It's a near death experience.
I just want cheese.